Big boy.
The worst thing is I don't even know if we're gonna use that take.
What? No.
It's part of our history.
Yeah, and it's also gonna be a deduction from our security deposit.
Alright, you think you can reach the door from here? Go.
Who said to do that, bro? That's for the party.
Big boy.
You cannot keep doing
Big boy.
No more birthday party. Forget that.
You know what? Party canceled, man.